All right, so the next two questions, these are the ones where they just want us to think about it and write a response. So if you were to create a graph, what point would represent the balance after 8 lattes? So this is where we need to use the equation, right? So the balance equals 35 minus 2 times how many pumpkin spice lattes I get. So the balance would be 35 minus 2 times 8, right? For 8 lattes, that's 35 minus 16, which is, I believe, $19. So what point would represent this balance? So a point is an x comma y, right? But remember, in this problem, instead of x, they were using p, and instead of y, they were using b. So x is the number of lattes, that would be 8, and y is the balance left on my card, which would be $19. So to answer this question, the point 819 represents the balance after buying 8 lattes. And then our final question, the point 20 negative 5 makes the equation true. So remember, this is our equation. Our balance is 35 minus 2 times the number of lattes. So if this is, x and y, but we're not using x and y, we were using b and p. If I plug those in, the equation's true. Let's just make sure that's correct. So for y, if I put negative 5 equals 35 minus 2 times 20, I get 35 minus 40, which, yes, okay. Negative 5 equals negative 5. So, yes, after buying 20 lattes, I have negative $5 on my gift card. That's what this represents. So, I'm going to start writing this out. The point 20 negative 5 means I have negative $5 on my gift card after buying 20 lattes. That's just what the numbers mean, right? But does this make sense? No. This does not make sense. You cannot go into Starbucks with $0 on your gift card and keep buying drinks, right? So even though mathematically this would be true, this wouldn't actually be able to happen in the real world, because once you get to 0 on your gift card, that's it. So does this make sense? No. This does not make sense, because you can't have a negative balance on a gift card. And that's pretty much it. So now it's time for the exit ticket. There is a little preview first, so watch the video if you need a little extra explanation. Otherwise, you're ready for your exit ticket. Let me finish this. You can't have a negative balance on a gift card. All right, there you go.